started demoing the floor back here in the wall cavity, we found this little guy.
What? A shoe!
It has a nylon wrapped around it. So I internet searched it, and it says, per the time period, shoes hidden in walls is to ward off evil spirits.
What?
Yeah. And spoke to a couple Wiccan friends. They are under the impression that the nylon tied around it and the knot is a binding spell.
That last little step's a little wobbly.
Oh my God, that's bad.
Oh.
Surprised it's not dipping more upstairs, honestly.
I mean, it looks to me like there's an entire layer of brick missing.
Yeah,
The dip.
So we're gonna have to come in, support this, and lift it while they fix all that.
Yep.
Oh, the basement is terrifying. There's a lot of new block, but the house is not sitting on any of that new block. It is sitting on a brick foundation, and the first part you see is the most terrifying part because the bricks are all falling down and they're all wavy.
I think it's probably just sitting on the dirt.
Yeah.
I didn't come all the way down here before.
You should always come in the basement. That's the whole...
Honestly, it would not have changed anything. I still would have bought it for what I bought it for.
I mentioned to you that I'm a feces expert. That's possum.
Possum, right?
Yep, that's possum. That is cat.
Possum, groundhog, cat, raccoon. Like they were name tagged or something. Like she knew everything.
I filled the suitcase with poop for you.
You got that one.
It stinks. My hands still stink, even though I had gloves on.
Looks like we had a little fire.
Yep, there was a fire. I think it's really cute. It's little, I like the different roof lines.
I really like the saw blade that's been stuck in the house.
Yeah,
It's very whimsical.
Shockingly been there for at least 6 months.
Wow.
This guy
Oh my goodness.
that was...
What have you done? That's the right face for it.
So when you kind of start walking at the pile of rubble, you can see there's another sheet of plywood or something covering an opening to the adjacent room. Don't even need to try to get there. That's stay. Not worried about it.
Either to the adjacent room or it's a portal to another dimension.
Yeah, and I doubt it's the latter, unfortunately.